Hola! Today is Dia 22. 20 means 20 and dos means 2. Hola! Today, hoy, es Dia 22. And today we're going to learn a bit of gossip. Gossip is los chismes. The word for funny is chistoso. So maybe you can think that that funny is like gossip. Funny is chistoso. It sounds a bit like cheese toast. Diary of the Wimpy Kid, they had that cheese thing. I don't know if it was funny. Chistoso. So gossip is los chismes. And human beings are los humanos. We like is nos gusta. A los humanos nos gusta hablar de las personas en nuestro grupo. Nuestro is a funny word. It means our. Nuestro. Our. A los humanos nos gusta hablar de las personas en nuestro grupo. Bien. I'd like to teach you the word for who. We've got some question words. Donde is where. ¿Qué is what. ¿Cuándo is when. And ¿por qué is why. So let's add who, which is quién. It's spelled Quien. Imagina a key, imagina a bunch of yen. Who has the key? Who has the yen? Quien. And maybe that can help con la pronunciación. Quien. So, ¿quién en tu grupo habla mucho? ¿Quién es la persona que habla mucho? Es mi marido, es Mick. Es mi mujer, es Louise, por ejemplo. Okay, the word for maybe, you'll like this, it's quizás. It's spelled Quizas, but it sounds like this, quizás. So, ¿quién es la persona que habla mucho? Quizás es Josephine, por ejemplo. All right, the word for relax is relaja. Relaja. It's funny, relaxing. Relaja. So, ¿quién es la persona que relaja mucho? Quizás es mi amiga Marianne. See how to use this? A los humanos nos gusta hablar. But sometimes we want peace and quiet. Paz y tranquilidad. So the lesson for today was los chismes. La persona que habla mucho. La persona que relaja mucho. And you learned the word for who, quién, and you learned the word for maybe, quizás. So mañana we're going to learn the word for shut up. Why don't you shut up? And the reason we're going to learn that is because I want to tell you a little story about when the King of Spain and Hugo Chavez of Venezuela met, and Hugo Chavez wouldn't stop talking. So that's mañana. It's a nice story. I like it. Come back for Dia 23 and you can find out all about that. Hasta mañana. Adiós.